Gross Morphology and Morphometric Studies of Digestive Tract of Borneo WL, Tyto alba. This article is written by two authors. First author Amar, A.A. Second author Adabo, S.M. Contribution and originality of the study is that, this study contributes in the existing literature, the gross features of the gastrointestinal tract of the barn owl, which will further assist in the feeding and management of this bird in captivity or free life. 4. Adult barn owls were captured from Gamgee village of Bakura local government and transported in a cage to the College of Agriculture and Animal Science Bakura, Zamfara State, Nigeria, for morphology and morphometry of the digestive tracts. All the segments of the digestive tract, esophagus, liver, crop, duodenum, jejunum, ileum, colon, cecum, colorectum, and cloaca, were present. However, the crop was found to be absent. This studies will provide valuable information for anatomists and other scientists working in the management and nutrition of this species, which will further help in the maintenance of this important bird in captivity or free life. Further investigation in the histology of these segments is recommended. Thanks for watching this video of Animal Review Volume 6 Issue Number 1.